What is up, guys, to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to append or just import Blender models into Blender, of course. So there's two ways, but the first one I'm gonna be showing you is the one that I normally use, but I don't have any skins to do it right now, so I'm just gonna show us one of the things I have. So normally, what you do or what I do is I go to collection and I have there's a collection or someone's name at whatever their name is, and then you can append it or double tap on it, and then it'll load into it. But for some reason, I tested all 5 of these and they didn't work. So what I did for the second way is go to first I actually tried to I tried all 5, like I said. Then I tried mesh and armature, but they wouldn't work together. So actually, you have to go to object and have to drag and select both of these, and then you append it, and then you'll see that it comes in. And then you can pose it, and you can move it, and the bones are together. So like when you do the mesh and armature, they don't come together, and you can't put them into like the same thing. So yeah, so that's how you put it together. And then this is a Man City one, one of the new soccer skins that are coming out. And I'm recording this on the day that the Pele Cup is gonna happen and before it's gonna happen. I'm not gonna participate in it, but yeah. And then I'll just show it, like get the color and stuff. And yeah, you can just put your lighting. Like I use a Blender Lightroom. Like also I'll link a Google Drive where I get all my models and stuff. Yeah, it's got like a lot like HDRIs and like if you want me to do a Blender like a lighting video and stuff or just more. Okay, and then I can go get a different skin. This is a Man City one too. Object. I'm gonna try to collect all of the soccer skins, like the Man City ones, or not just Man City, but like the other skins too. Okay, we're gonna wait for these to load. Okay, they loaded. Okay, so let me drag it out and show you guys. Okay. Yeah, and that's really it. So, if you guys enjoyed, please drop a like, and if you really liked it, subscribe and share with your friends. And hit the notification bell if you want to see more of my tutorials or just my gaming, my Fortnite or Minecraft content. So, yeah, I'll see you in the next one.